We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users say about the Infmetry Valentine's Day gifts for him boyfriend girlfriend capsule notes, pills in a glass bottle, letter messages for couples men women, dark blue 25 PCs. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle is a unique and thoughtful gift that stands out for its sentimental value and creative presentation. This product consists of a glass bottle filled with 25 miniature pill capsules, each containing a tiny blank piece of paper. The concept is simple yet powerful. Write a heartfelt message, roll it up, and tuck it inside a pill capsule, creating a collection of personal notes that can be cherished over time. The kit includes everything needed to assemble these miniature messages: glass jar, slips of paper, rings to secure the rolled notes, and the capsules themselves. The overall design is charming, with the dark blue capsules creating a visually appealing display that looks attractive on any desk or bookshelf. Users consistently highlight the emotional impact of this gift. Many report that the process of writing multiple messages for a loved one offers a rewarding opportunity for reflection and connection. Whether the recipient is a romantic partner, family member, or close friend, the act of crafting personalized notes makes the gift highly meaningful. Several reviewers mention using the capsules to express feelings they might struggle to say aloud, making this product especially valuable for those who want to communicate affection in a tangible, lasting way. The small size of the capsules and the bottle itself adds to the charm, making it an unobtrusive yet eye-catching keepsake. The Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle is praised for its affordability and convenience. While the individual components, glass bottle, paper slips, rings, and capsules are inexpensive, assembling them into a cohesive kit saves buyers the hassle of sourcing materials separately. The kit arrives ready to use, and many users appreciate the ease of setup. The glass bottle is sturdy and well made, providing a secure home for the capsules. The capsules themselves are the size of actual pills, which adds a whimsical touch to the overall presentation. The color scheme, particularly the dark blue option, is frequently noted as elegant and suitable for a variety of gifting occasions. Despite its many strengths, the product is not without its drawbacks. One of the most common criticisms concerns the fragility of the pill capsules. Users report that the capsules can break if handled with too much force, especially when opening them to insert a note. The capsules are also soluble in water, so care must be taken to keep the bottle dry. Some users see this as a positive safety feature, reducing the risk of choking for children, but it does mean the capsules should be kept away from moisture. Another challenge involves the small size of the paper slips. Rolling the notes tightly enough to fit inside the capsules can be tricky, and several reviewers mention tearing the paper during this process. Some have found success by trimming excess paper or using a pencil to help roll the notes more precisely. The time commitment required to prepare all 25 capsules is another consideration. For some, writing thoughtful messages and assembling the capsules is a delightful and meditative activity. For others, it can feel overwhelming, especially if they struggle to come up with enough unique messages or find the rolling process tedious. However, most users agree that the effort is well worth it when they see the recipient's reaction. The finished product is described as a gift that keeps on giving, with some couples using the bottle as an ongoing exchange, refilling it with new notes over time. The Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle is especially popular as a gift for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, and long-distance relationships. Many reviewers share stories of giving the bottle to partners who appreciate sentimental gestures. The product is also suitable for platonic or familial relationships, making it a versatile option for anyone who values meaningful communication. The bottle's compact size and attractive appearance make it easy to display, and several users mention that their loved ones continue to revisit the notes years after receiving the gift, reinforcing its lasting value. In terms of quality, the glass bottle receives high marks for durability and aesthetics. The capsules, while delicate, are generally considered adequate for their purpose, provided they are handled gently. The rings included for securing the rolled notes are a helpful addition, making it easier to fit the paper inside the capsules. The overall construction of the kit is described as decent, especially given the affordable price point. Some users suggest that the kit could be improved by including slightly larger paper slips or sturdier capsules, but these issues do not significantly detract from the overall positive experience. The Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle has garnered a strong following among those who appreciate personalized DIY-style gifts. Its appeal lies in the opportunity it provides to create a deeply personal and memorable present. The process of writing, rolling, and assembling the notes is as much a part of the gift as the finished product itself. For those who enjoy crafting or want to give a gift that reflects time and thought, this kit is an excellent choice. The product's popularity is reflected in its high customer ratings, with many buyers returning to purchase additional bottles for other loved ones. One of the standout features of this product is its ability to foster connection and communication. In a world where digital messages are fleeting, the physicality of handwritten notes carries special significance. Recipients can revisit the messages whenever they need a boost, making the bottle a source of ongoing comfort and joy. The kit's design encourages creativity, with some users adding drawings or decorative touches to their notes. The bottle can also be reused, allowing for new messages to be added over time or for the capsules to be exchanged between partners. While the product is generally easy to use, there are a few tips that can enhance the experience. Using a pencil or a similar tool to help roll the notes makes it easier to achieve the right size for the capsules. Cutting down the paper if it proves too large can prevent tearing and frustration. Taking the time to plan out messages in advance can also make the process smoother, especially for those who find it challenging to come up with 25 unique notes on the spot. Ultimately, the key to getting the most out of this product is to approach it with patience and a focus on the personal connection it fosters. The Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle is not a mass-produced impersonal gift. Instead, it is a vehicle for expressing genuine emotion and thoughtfulness. Its simplicity is its strength, allowing the giver to tailor the messages to the recipient's personality and preferences. Whether used for romantic declarations, words of encouragement, or expressions of gratitude, the capsules become a repository of shared memories and affection. The act of opening each capsule and reading the message inside is a small but meaningful ritual that can strengthen bonds and create lasting positive associations. In conclusion, the Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle is a standout gift for anyone seeking to make a heartfelt impression. Its combination of affordability, ease of use, and emotional resonance makes it a favorite among customers. While there are some minor challenges related to the fragility of the capsules and the small size of the paper slips, these are outweighed by the product's many benefits. The kit is well suited for a variety of occasions and recipients, and its enduring appeal lies in its capacity to turn simple words into treasured keepsakes. If you value gifts that are personal, creative, and meaningful, the Infmetry Capsule Notes in a Bottle is highly recommended. Remember, if you have used this product, please share your experience in the comments to help others decide if it is the right choice for them. For more information and to support the channel, the link to the product is in the description.